I was wrong. I was wrong to think that this city of Bangalore is not so cool. We flew here all the way from Rajasthan area. We are in a different area right now, and we are going to explore this city, which is the high-tech city of India. In today's episode, I am taking you with me to discover the city of Bangalore. This being said, let's go. We are starting the day in a coffee place, and I feel like I didn't give you enough prices in the last YouTube videos, so I'm having a cafe latte, which is pretty nice, one of the best ones I've had in here in India. This one is 250 rupees, and we are in a coffee place which is pretty green, interesting, and I feel like it's difficult to find a good coffee place in here in Bangalore city because we scrolled a lot on Google. This is why I'm leaving you the location of this one in case you're coming to visit and you're searching for one. And yes, we are in the high-tech city of India in Bangalore city. I'm super excited to visit it, so let's have a coffee, let's have a sandwich, and go to explore the city more. This is the tuk-tuk life, the life we love, because you feel the traffic, the wind, everything is like 10 times more.
Yeah.
We are heading right now
to Ubi City Mall.
the richest part,
Yeah, they said
the coolest,
the most modern part and the richest part here
in Bangalore. So let's go. We are on the way. We ordered as usually the tuk-tuk with our
Uber.
So we use the Uber application. Super easy, super convenient. We don't really find tuk-tuks, so sometimes we take the car.
Yeah.
Our tuk-tuk driver dropped us right in front of the mall, but we want to explore a little bit around, see the buildings around. So far it's giving me Malaysia, like Kuala Lumpur vibes, both Kuala Lumpur vibes and Bangkok vibes. I'm happy we decided to come to this part, see another side of India, because it's pretty much modern, and it's not the same as the other two cities we saw so far. The buildings I see are not that tall. Maybe we're on the wrong side, but I was thinking that we will have like skyscrapers and huge buildings. So we will keep exploring. Maybe we find those skyscrapers people were saying about so far, but I like the cleanliness of the area is way different than Jaipur and Udaipur. As a big city life, big city vibes. We see here people that we believe are gathered from all parts of India, coming to work here or to study, maybe from other countries as well, because they really don't look like Indians. It's very walkable. It looks pretty walkable, and I love all the greenery we have. There's a lot of grass, there's so many flowers. Look how green everything is around. I would say it's such a pity that we didn't come here first, and it's also such a pity that the other two cities are not so clean as this one, because here there are not many things to do. So in Bangalore city you don't have many options. In the Rajasthan area you have a lot of interesting architecture and buildings and history that you can learn or see, while in here it's like the modernity, big city vibes, as I said. So I am a little bit sad that the other two cities didn't leave me a nice and clean impression, while Bangalore surprised me, really surprised me. I still don't see those skyscrapers but I am impressed by how clean it is, how walkable it is, and the weather, which is great. And what is really strange in India in general is that on the road you don't have lanes, you don't have like the ways are not clear, and I've seen this everywhere, not only here in Bangalore. I see that the parking spots are having some lines drawn, but otherwise somehow they find a way to drive safely, I suppose. What is also very interesting here is that
they have expensive cars, okay, I don't know if in all Bangalore or only in this,
This area,
yeah.
yeah.
But you
Yeah.
can find here Mercedes, BMW, and all the types of the European rich cars.
Rich cars, exactly. We were next to a gas station and they were like,
And not only cars, okay, they have also expensive brands.
yeah, brands also. And this is why we are heading right now to the mall. We are going to see one of the coolest malls in here with expensive brands and see how it looks like. And as I said, it gives me Kuala Lumpur vibes, because in Kuala Lumpur you also have malls with super expensive brands and like really cool designs. So we are heading there right now. We're going to enter the mall right now, and I am expecting another control. Usually there's like a gate you enter and then there's someone, a lady or a man controlling you. So let's see. As I told you, there's already the gate and there's a lady for women and a man for men's side. They're also checking the luggage. So I'm entering there. I am trying to show you a little bit how it looks like. It looks very nice, and there's a sort of a terrace where they have palm trees and a nice view. So I'll see if this is everything. It looks pretty small. I was expecting like a bigger mall. I'm quite disappointed. It's really small, and I think the guards are going to tell me not to film. So I'm showing you like it's sort of a terrace full of palm trees, small shops around. Let's see what else we can see in here. There are some cafes where people are drinking and eating in here, 2 or 3 cafes. And I don't understand why there's so much security around, like a lot of guards and yeah, security. Everywhere I look, I see some. And look, it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice to have like a rooftop drink here. What else? There's another entrance on the other side. Let's see if it's also the mall or something else. So we are inside 2 or 3 more shops, and I think that's all. I don't know if I'm missing something or not, but it looks like that's all. Not so many shops actually. I was expecting a lot more. The design is pretty nice. Look, it looks like a sort of a palace, castle. The design is pretty nice. I think we finally figured out this mall. Basically, there is a central point and then 2 parts. Right now we are on the left side, and we see that, and there are more levels. I think about 3 levels. And over there down, you can see Burberry. There's also Louis Vuitton. There are some brands in here. It's not very big. It's quite modern. As I said, it smells very good. And since we are here and we saw everything we needed, we stopped for a quick break at Provenance. They have like a bakery on the ground level, and I got a tart with salted caramel for 3,025 rupees, which I think is pretty decent. It's not the cheapest one, but it's pretty decent. And because they don't have the tea we wanted, we got a water, simple water. So we are going to enjoy this, and they don't have Wi-Fi. This is such a pity. And upstairs on the terrace, there is only one place that we found with Wi-Fi. So don't really expect to find so much Wi-Fi in here. So you have to be prepared for if you come to India, because the internet here is not very good, and even at even at the hotel, it's not the best one. So be prepared for this. We're going to enjoy this, and then let's see. We are going to walk a little bit around the city, see if we still find those skyscrapers they were telling us about. We just made it to the Church Street, which is right behind me. Basically, this is the street. It's a beautiful, lively street in here, and in front of me there is a sort of a shopping center which is very big and has a lot of restaurants, cafes. Finally, one area where I feel like you have many things to do in here. Many people around. It's a Saturday today, so I think it's like a celebration day. People can go out and have lunch or a coffee or just enjoy their day. I really like it. So more people in here. Yeah, thumbs up for this place. Maybe you want to see it if you come to to visit Bangalore. Let's see, let's walk a little bit around and see how it looks like. So I also see these kind of street food shops.
Masala chai, maybe they
Yeah,
have.
masala chai. Oh. And also here, I think they have perfumes. I think here they're selling something. Oh, this is manicure, pedicure, like a shop. And over here, burgers. They have burgers over here. And there's like another shop selling clothes. Toscano bar. I think this is like a local brand here because we keep seeing it. I will show it to you right now. I will turn around so you can see it in the back. So yes, pretty nice. This area is pretty nice, full of shops, full of colors, full of people hanging out. And you can see also in my back, I think you'll see now better how people are dressed in here. It's a good weather, you know. I'm having a long sleeve and I feel good. Elias is a little bit wearing more clothes than I am right now because he's a bit sick because of the AC in here. And look in here, there's a sort of, I think, a coffee place or something like this.
They have sushi.
So they have sushi also. It's looking nice. And there's the streets, the church street is like having a lot of trees and a lot of shadow.
Let's go to the street shopping there.
Yeah, there is a sort of
souvenirs.
a shopping place. I will show it to you right now. It's in the back, so more like small stalls having handcrafted objects. Let's see it together. So this is, look, so nice. Like a sort of an entrance to more coffee places.
We don't know exactly how safe this area is, but
Yeah.
we feel here very safe.
Yeah, here
More safe than other cities in India,
and areas
especially in this zone.
in this area. Yeah, we feel pretty safe, and I feel safe recording. So, look how many things there are.
Oh, look, they have very beautiful shoes. And
Shoes also. Oh, a long time no shoes. Yeah. Hello. Look, they have good, beautiful shoes. Wow, good quality. How much?
950.
950.
You know, Bangalore very expensive.
yes,
How much
yes,
rent you
yes.
pay?
Well,
Yeah.
Okay.
What is the cheapest one you have? Cheapest?
This one.
Oh,
this
this-
one for baby.
Yeah,
but
no, for
adult.
Your
adults.
size?
Yeah, for me, I wear 39.
This one.
This one,
850.
850.
Yes.
850. This one is, and the most expensive one,
This
which
one.
this one
This
is the most.
expensive.
This also
this
is
one
expensive.
also expensive.
Oh, how much is
This
this one?
pure leather.
Pure leather. Oh, nice. How,
Quality.
how much is this one?
This one 1550.
1,550.
And too expensive is there.
They're in the back.
2500.
2,500. Oh, very beautiful.
Handmade loafers.
I think they have spices here. Yes.
Hello, what
And
do you have
sweets.
here? These are Indian
The
spices.
rock sweets.
Spicy mango. Spicy.
Spicy
No,
mango.
I don't know.
Spicy mango.
Spicy. Or give me, let me try. Or can I try from this? Only. Oh.
No, I don't want. Thank you so much. Spicy?
No.
Ah,
So spicy.
what is this one?
What is this? Amla.
Amla. Thank you so much. Mmm. Spicy and salty. It's interesting. It has garlic also?
Ginger.
Ginger. I'll try this one. Mango, spicy mango. So salty. You don't really feel like eating mango. I cannot keep my eyes open. Oh, I'm traumatized after that spicy mango I had. I wanted to show you that they also have like clothes and textiles here. Very beautiful materials. Nice. Very nice. Oh, I like this place. I'm so happy we found this place. It's so, and I also like the people in here. Super kind. Pots, I think, jewelry again. Here, more jewelry. We keep seeing this bakery, Zed the Baker, around. It's the third time we're seeing it. So before, when we were in the mall, they had their logo. So I think that the sweet we tried was from them. It was really nice, really nice. It's not the cheapest one, as I said in the mall. They don't have the cheapest prices, but it was really nice. Honestly, this side of India shocked me because I didn't expect it to be like this. It almost looks like I'm on the streets of Japan, maybe, with small shops in both corners. Elias had like a reaction. How can you say like Japan? But I'm saying this because, except for the people who are really different in here, the streets are having like in here in this area where we are right now, like small shops on both sides, and people selling cute things on the street. You can see like handmade, all sorts of jewelry. It's like a Sunday market. That's so nice, like Sunday market in here. And sunglasses. There's a lot of life on the street. And right next to these small stalls, we have the entrance to, what is it, a food court in here. And I think this is really nice because they have like local food. Look. So they also have, I think, that Subway over there, which is the only brand I know, like foreign brand I know. And then they have a lot of shops, a lot of restaurants, like fast food restaurants with local food. So many options. Right by the time I was getting used to this friendly India for foreigners, we cannot pay anything here with our international cards. You only need a local card, which means that we need to find an ATM, which is not close, to withdraw some money and then to be able to eat something in here, which is really sad. This is so alive. These streets are so alive in here, and there's a lot of noise as well, but I really like, they have like cute cafes and restaurants and nice designs over here. So it's better. I'm happy we found this place. We are trying to see if there is anything else except for this street, like the church street. So I am going forward, but I don't think we can see anything else. There's like an empty street over here. No more cafes, no more restaurants, just the traffic and the lanes. It looks like this. And I think that's all for today's episode. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more adventures around the world. And I am leaving you one question because I still didn't see those big buildings. Please let me know, where should I head next in India? Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.